And races on Aloha from the outside, Balinganda, and running by the Real Dancing Tide Showmaster. As it coming, Angie Red Star of Manel is running at the tail of the field, Dancing Tide by ahead, Balinganda from the outside. Aloha is racing third by Sam Tulex, and running down on the inside is Haset coming. Rounding the far turn, Dancing Tide, and racing from the outside. It's Dancing Tide, Balinganda, Showmaster, Aloha, Anjured has it coming, Star of Manel, as they race the final corner. The favorite Dancing Tide by Sam Trilang, Showmaster is now running in second. Anjured, Aloha, and hitting the finish line, Dancing Tide by Sam Trilangs. And finally, the icebreaker, Dancing Tide, Angie Red, Showmaster, Aloha, Star of Manel, has it coming in Balinganda. Comes last.